The Infinix Note 50 Pro Plus is shaping up to be a highly anticipated addition to Infinix's smartphone lineup in 2025. While the exact launch date has not been officially confirmed, reports suggest that the phone could be unveiled as early as January 15, 2025, or later in March 2025, aligning with Infinix's recent trend of releasing flagship devices early in the year. This smartphone is expected to feature a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals and smoother interactions for gaming and multimedia. It will likely boast a powerful triple rear camera system, led by a 108MP main sensor, ensuring exceptional photo and video quality. Performance is rumored to be top-tier, with a premium processor and up to 12 GB of RAM for multitasking and demanding applications. The Note 50 Pro Plus is also expected to house a 4,600 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities, ensuring extended usage without compromising on convenience. If the rumors hold, the phone may also feature advanced connectivity options, such as 5G support, alongside a sleek design and a range of color options. Infinix fans are eagerly awaiting an official announcement, which is expected in the coming months, offering further details about availability and pricing.